Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing you some more fun-free drumming ideas. This week we've got something a little different. I'm trying out something new for this lesson. I've set up my electric kit, which is like the Roland VAD 503. I haven't sorted out a microphone for my voice yet, so that's why it's a bit echoey. We'll get that going. Just wanted to make sure that the sound comes through nicely from the kit, that we've got a decent kit sound going on. So let me know what you think. We are going to continue the sort of Tasteful Licks series, so I'll show you one of those. And then I was going to experiment trying to find some nice camera angles. I think it's going to be quite hard at the time being to actually talk and play at the same time, so I have to sort of explain what I'm going to do, then play it a little bit. I'll play around in the editing, see if I can sort of suss that out as we go. But just, this is like a little, like I said, just bear with me. We're just experimenting, hopefully we can get this better, and lead to some sort of live drum lesson setup. So if we can get this going, it just means I've got a hell of a lot more control over what we do compared to what I have at the other studio that I record at. So, with all that said, if you like what you saw in the intro and you want to give this one a crack, stick around and I'll break it down. Here we go. Alright, okay, so let's dive into the sticking. Much like with the last lesson we did, this is actually going to kick off in the previous measure on beat 4. We're going to do these nice little run-ins to these tasteful licks. Just because it's a little bit different, it just extends it by that little half a beat or an extra beat, and it just catches the listener off guard, so I think it's quite a nice little avenue to go down. Now if we look at this from beat 1, it's going to go from beat 1 to 3, it's got a fairly simple sticking. It's going to be right, left, left, right, left, left, and then right, left, right. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to send our right hand around the kit, so we're going to play our first big, like think of all your left hand notes for now as ghost notes. Alright, I'll just demonstrate what it's going to sound like. Okay, I'm going to try and catch that rim shot, hopefully you can hear it. Yeah, nice. So what I'm playing is, left hand just stays in the snare, just gets that nice little purr going on. Right hand is going to go big snare, left, left on snare, big high tom, left, left on snare, big right, one left on snare, and then we're going to bring the right hand over to hit that snare. One more time. That was 2 times. Okay, so if we now look at beat 3 onwards, we've got the sticking right, kick, kick, right, left, kick and right, kick on its own, kick and crash. If we were to count it, it'd be 3E and a 4E, crash. And it's going to be snare, kick, kick, floor, snare, bzzzt, kick, crash. So if I go through that slowly, it should sound a bit like this. One more time. Bit faster. There's no point in me catching these cymbals. So that's beat 3 onwards. If we put everything together, we're going to get right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, kick a right, kick, crash. I'm going to play it all back to back, but I can't play and talk at the same time. I will be able to soon. We'll make that happen. And again. Let's go a bit faster this time. Right, now if we go back to the beginning of the lesson, I did mention that we were going to sort of start this on beat 4 of the previous bar. What we're going to do, it's kind of like part of the groove anyway. We're going to just play, when we get to beat 4, we can hit the snare drum and the hi-hat, and then we're going to do the snare drum and a ghost note and then another ghost note. So you get this little double left on the and the of beat 4. It should sound a bit like this. Okay, so let's put that into context. Here we go. Shh. Let's go a little bit faster. Alright, so that's the fill. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the angle of the camera like we normally do. See if I can find a good one there, and then I'll come and say goodbye. Here we go. there it is. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I'm just experimenting with this one, so bear with me. Obviously, I'll try and get a microphone sorted. I have to change the way I edit things a little bit. Let me know what you think of the sound of the kit that I've got at the moment. This is just one that sounds really nice in headphones. I'm not sure what it's going to sound like when I sort of put it through the computer and start playing around with it. So let me know what you think of that. Obviously, I will go back and do some lessons on the acoustic kit because you can't be playing it. Just probably, you know, when I'm here, I can control everything. I can do it more frequently because obviously I haven't been able to get over there quite as much as, you know, as I would like to. So getting this set up has sort of been like the dream, so we could do some live lessons or some live streams and things like that. So we're in the sort of teething stages of putting everything together, but hopefully you like the direction it's all going in, and it just means a bit more frequency, which means more free drum lessons, which can't be a bad thing. So once again, thank you very much for watching. If you did like the video, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, the sheet music will be available on my website, which is www.alexwinchesterdrums.com. There'll be a link down below, and you can download the sheet music for this particular fill completely for free. All right, guys. So in the meantime, take care, keep drumming, and I'll see you soon for some more fun-free drumming ideas. All right, see you later. Bye.